Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've purchased the item and the security tag won't release. Start by confirming you have the receipt and original packaging. Explain calmly at the nearest service desk why the tag didn't attach at checkout and show your proof of purchase. You're asking staff to verify the sale and use the store's detacher. This avoids damage and legal risk. Once they see the receipt, they'll use the right tool. Make sure to remain polite and cooperative so staff prioritize your request. If the cashier can't remove the tag, you ask to speak with a manager and explain the situation calmly. This helps escalate quickly. The manager will typically use a magnetic or mechanical detacher designed for that tag type, preventing garment damage. If you don't have the receipt, show the card used or any digital confirmation to verify purchase. Stores usually accommodate proof. You should stay nearby while they work so you can confirm the item is intact and avoid misunderstandings. Once the tag is removed, inspect the garment immediately for any adhesive residue or pin marks. Ask staff to clean or repair minor issues so you leave satisfied. If the store refuses to help or claims uncertainty, request written documentation of their refusal and contact corporate customer service with the receipt or photo proof. If needed, return during quieter hours or bring a witness to expedite resolution. This ensures you resolve the problem legally and without risking damage or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.